In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailerlite Autoresponder in Cloudfunnels. We'll go through the full setup from start to finish, including how to get your Mailerlite API token, how to install the Mailerlite plugin inside Cloudfunnels, how to connect everything properly, and finally how to test the integration so you know it's working. First, log into your Mailerlite account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the integrations area. Under Mailerlite API, click Use, and then choose Generate New Token. You'll be asked to enter a name for the token. You can give it a simple label, such as Cloudfunnels, so it's easy to recognize later. If you need IP restrictions, you can configure them here as well. Then click Create Token. As soon as the token is generated, copy it and store it in a safe place, because Mailerlite only shows this token at the time it's created. Next, log into Cloudfunnels. Go to the Marketplace or Plugins section and search for the CF plugin for Mailerlite. Once you find it, select the plugin, click Install, and activate it if Cloudfunnels prompts you to do that. This plugin is what allows Cloudfunnels to send your lead data directly into Mailerlite. After that, open the Mailerlite plugin settings inside Cloudfunnels. Paste in the API token you copied from Mailerlite, then click Connect or Save. Give it a moment while the platform verifies the connection. Once connected, choose the Mailerlite group where you want your Cloudfunnels leads to be added. If Cloudfunnels asks for a group ID instead of letting you select a group from a list, you can find that group ID inside Mailerlite under the Mailerlite API group section. Now open the funnel or opt-in page where you want to collect leads. Go into the opt-in or form settings and select Mailerlite as the autoresponder. Then choose the Mailerlite group you want to connect to that form. After that, map your fields carefully. Match the email field to email, first name to name, and last name to last name if that field is available. When the mapping looks correct, save the form settings, then head back to Mailerlite and open automations. Create a new workflow and set the trigger to joins a group. Choose the same group you connected inside Cloudfunnels. Add a send email step, create your welcome or follow-up email, and add delay steps if you want a sequence instead of a single message. Review the workflow to make sure everything looks right, and then activate the automation. Finally, test the integration. Open your Cloudfunnels opt-in page and submit the form using a test email address. Then go to Mailerlite, open subscribers, and check the selected group to confirm the test subscriber was added. After that, check automations to make sure the subscriber entered the workflow and verify that the welcome email was sent correctly. Once that test passes, your integration is fully set up and ready to use.